We are making some Thanksgiving cookies, and
why do you call them Thanksgiving cookies?
Because it's not Christmas yet, and it hasn't been Thanksgiving, so we're calling them Thanksgiving cookies.
What's the secret to making good Thanksgiving cookies?
Cannot eat too much of them.
I see. Good. Who's that little girl behind you?
That's my sister Marianne. She's mostly eating, but I like to decorate more than eat.
Mary, you want to say hi?
I covered one with some red.
How
many cookies did you decorate?
I'm gonna do a cross.
Mary, how many cookies did you decorate? Should we count them? Let's count them. Should we count them, Mary? Oh, here we go.
Mary, you need to wash your hands, love.
What?
Come on, I'll help you. Come on. You want to wash your hands?
What?
You want to wash your hands?
What?
What?
Yes. Happy Thanksgiving.
What?
Happy Thanksgiving.
What?